Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Nissan Maxima door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a clean, well-lit workspace is crucial to prevent misplacing any small parts or fasteners during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient removal. Next, we will begin by carefully removing the trim pieces. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry up the power window switch panel, then disconnect its electrical connector. After that, remove the single screw often found behind the door handle trim piece, and then carefully pry off that trim. Don't forget to check for any additional screws hidden within the armrest or door pull pocket, as these secure the panel. With the screws removed, it is time to detach the main door panel. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully release the numerous plastic clips securing the panel around its entire perimeter. Work slowly and methodically, gently prying the panel away from the door frame. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to disengage it from the window channel, allowing it to hang loosely. Finally, with the panel hanging, disconnect any remaining electrical connectors for components such as the door light or speaker. Then, detach the door handle cables by rotating them and unhooking their small ball ends from their respective levers. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align perfectly and every screw is tightened securely. Double-check all connections before fully snapping the panel back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.